be replacing these. That's all they had. And yeah, this has the diverter, but it doesn't matter. You can use this kit, and just gonna make these stick out a little further. That's all right. Okay, water's off. Yeah, these are just your, that one's crusted on there. These are your standard. Jeez, I mean, what am I gonna do about that? Nothing. So what we're gonna need to do is take out those seats. There's not much I can do about that. I think it's this one. Yep, it's that one. You got this cool little tool here. I'm gonna need to two-hand this. Basically, you just spin the seats out of there, break it loose, and you got the little seats. The way it works is this rubber gasket pushes against this to make a watertight seal. And over time, these just get crusty. So, because that one came out with that, we didn't have to use the cowbells. To get these out, just put that on there. Those are not that tight at all. Nice. Okay, I gotta set this down. Yikes. Whoopsie, where'd it go? Whatever. Okay, so then stick this in. And same deal. I need two hands. So you break it free. You want to push in when you first break it free, and then you can one-hand it. Because if you mess up those seats or you strip them, you're SOL pretty much. Number two. Now, we will This is the diverter, which we're not going to use. Two new stems. And seats. So you put the seats back in the same way you took the old ones out. On there like that. Then you throw them in. I'm going to inspect first to make sure that, yeah, those look all right. Those look in good condition. Those as well. So you just put it in. Do not cross thread. Do not cross thread. Same thing on this side. Do not cross thread. Okay. And then check it to make sure it's not cross-threaded. That looks good. That looks good. Look, when you're doing this, you don't want to, when you tighten them up, you do not want to try and kill these. You just want them snug. Just a little bit of tension on it, like that. But do not over-tighten those. And you do not put pipe dope or anything on these. I've never removed these and seen pipe dope or Teflon on the seats. The threads are, it's far too, there's not enough space. But I always put Teflon on this. Always. Because if these were going to leak, they would leak right here. They're not going to leak at the seats. In the wall, I should say. If it's leaking at the seats, it would most likely be coming out of the tub spout or shower head. But I'm more concerned about it leaking in the wall, so I always take care of these threads. Ran out of Blue Monster, so now we're doing Mega Tape and Pro Dope. Okay, so when you do this, make sure these are closed all the way. Otherwise, you won't be able to thread them in. There you go. Same thing with this. Make sure that's closed. Because if it's open like this, you'll have issues. So make sure that's closed. And when you spin it, don't touch these. Because it'll open those up. Now these you want to snug. Then you want to take this side and tighten those, because those will leak if you don't. Not too much though, just snug them up. that's closed. That's open. So just make sure they're open. Oh, that's so leave it to Home Depot. Of course, these don't fit on here because they're too beveled. Can't get them on. So I'm gonna have to go with this. Brush nickel looks nice anyway. There you go. Obviously you want to check for leaks before you put all the escutcheons on and trim. That's it.